What is up, YouTube? Welcome back again. It's buddy Technoboy, and that's the Philips home theater. This is the main unit, and that's one channel right here. The model number is TAV7587. It's a 100-watt, as it says, 5.1 home theater system. And in today's video, I'm going to open this thing, and we're going to check what's inside of it. So I'm going to open just one channel to check the driver of it. All the 5 channels would be same like that because the wattage and impedance, they're all same. So that's the main unit, and this side the subwoofer driver is there, and that's the back side of it. This thing is a nice one with the optical input right there, as there is no cover for the socket, optical socket, so I have taped it because I'm not using it. And 5.1 channel input, aux input, so many things are there. So let's open it up and check what's inside of it. Alright, so this is the circuit of it, and I'm seeing first time Philips 5.1 home theater with the SMPS in it. That's why it was, when I was pulling it out, it was feeling very light in weight. So that's the input of the SMPS, the AC input, and that's the output going to this circuit board. This is the main circuit board, and here the bigger chip, that's the 5.1 decoder, and I guess, and there 3 small ICs are there, 1, 2, and 3. They are the amplifier chip, stereo 1, 3 for total 6 channel, including subwoofer. So pretty compact and nice. Now that's the back side of it. No components are there at the back. No SMD components. All the components are there on one side only, as this is no like it's a class D amplifier, not a class AB. That's why all the chips are on one side, single side, all the SMD components, everything. It's like what to say, the soundbar kind of circuit board like that. And quality is quite good enough, but not as good as the price is, because this thing cost me around 9,000 and something, but Zebronics offer much better than lesser price than this thing. I got one Zebronics, hope you have seen the video unboxing, sound test and all, 5.1 home theater. That cost me around 6,500, something like that, and that sound is much better than this one. This one is having a 8-inch subwoofer driver, but the Zebronics one is having like a 6.5-inch, but still the Zebronics has much more deeper bass and louder bass than this one. This is the like bigger driver, and also the cabinet is pretty lengthy. The depth is pretty lengthy, so you can say quite bigger in size, and still there is a lack of bass, not like the 8-inch driver kind of bass. So I don't know why Philips made this thing, and this thing is still available on Amazon and someone like that. I bought this thing for the ProLogic 2, but the ProLogic 2 doesn't work very well in this thing, as it used to work on like SB8000B, SP8000B. I had long back. That thing was like, I'm not talking about the sound quality, I'm talking about the surround effects, the ProLogic 2. That thing, the ProLogic 2 is to work much better than this one. The good thing is that this thing is having an I would say optical connector, but you didn't find much of a difference if you connect this AC3 or aux. If you connect a good quality cable and good quality source, then you didn't find much difference between this analog and the digital input. But overall, this is a good thing, but the price is high, as I must say. So now let's check out the subwoofer driver. Alright, so this is the 8-inch massive driver, as you can see, and the driver looks quite good, but the amplifier doesn't have that much power, I think. So I'm not going to remove it right now, but we're going to test it once, how it works, like this. So I have connected this center speaker only, and just a subwoofer. So let's play some songs and check the sound. Right, now let's remove the channel speaker. Alright, so now let's open this channel speaker and check the driver inside. That's the driver, 3-inch driver. Okay, so that's the driver itself. So that's it. That was the inside video of this Philips 5.1 home theater. As you can see, that's the circuit, that's the subwoofer driver, and that's the channel speaker. So that's all of it. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.